Geometry students to class today on this Monday the 19th. I hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you are ready to learn some math and work hard today. And guys, I hope every day that you walk through that door, you're ready to work on your geometry and learn, okay? If you're not, your grade is going to reflect that, okay? Alright, here we go. And by the way, let me look at something real quick here. You will get your quizzes back that you took on Friday. Once everybody's taken them, we'll go over it then, but the grades were really not the best. If you want to know what you got, it's on Sycamore. But students, again, it comes down to the fill in the blanks and knowing those really well. Okay, guys? You hold the key if you want to do well in this class. Alright, here we go. Here's the schedule for the week. Today we're going to take notes and work on homework. Tuesday and Wednesday we're going to review for a test. So 2 days to review for your test. 2 days. There's no excuse to not study for this test. I would give you the test on Thursday, but it's against school rules to give a test on Thursday because of church Wednesday night. So your test will be Friday. Now, if you'll notice on Thursday right here, I am going to give you notes. Those notes will be from chapter 5. They will not be on your test. Okay? They will not be on your test. At this time, you have 2 assignments to turn in. Now, let me say this. A lot of you have turned these in already. So if you've already turned them in, don't worry about it. But students, put your name on these. I'm still getting work turned in without names. Every day I say stop and check to make sure your name is on it. And some of you don't do that. I am going to start taking points off eventually for no names. So you owe me these 2 assignments. And Mrs. Duke, it doesn't matter if they're all mixed together. It's not a big deal. Just make sure your name is on these. And please turn these in now at this time if you've not turned those in. Incompletes. Now, let's see what we have here. Caleb, all of these were due by last Friday. However, you weren't here Friday, so you may turn them in today. If they're not turned in today, these will become permanent zeros, and you'll not be able to make those up, okay? I'm not a super tough teacher, but I do say what I mean. I do mean what I say, and so they were due Friday. You weren't here, so they're due today. Quiz number 7, Caleb, Kendra, Timothy. Listen, guys, the 9 weeks ends by, after you have your grades entered by Wednesday, okay? So you've got to take this today or tomorrow. So Caleb, Kendra, Timothy, you must take your quiz by today or tomorrow. Mrs. Duke, if you need another copy of this quiz, let me know and I will email that to you, okay? Alright, moving on. If you have any questions, students, contact me. And that's not the right thing. There we go. Alright, now remember, if you're absent 1 day or many days, the first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz, if we are taking one, you will take it. It is your job to stay on your videos while you are out absent. Please make sure you're doing that. Please, students. Today we're going to finish chapter 4 by taking notes and working on homework. The video today is about comparing angles with their opposite sides and also comparing sides with their opposite angles. Also, the video will teach you something pretty cool about certain stipulations about lengths of 3 sides of a triangle, okay? So you need to understand all of that, okay? And that's what we're going to look at today. The name of the teaching video is Lesson 4.7. It's about 25 minutes long. The homework that is due tomorrow is kind of complex. The homework itself is not complex. Understanding what to do is complex, okay? So please listen carefully. I made 2 videos because I made a mistake on one and left out some of the problems, so I had to add them in later. So I want you to do page 214, numbers 6 through 11, okay? And notice there's a video for that called Lesson 4.7, Homework Part 1. It's only about 4 minutes long. Then, do page 215, 12 through 23, and 26 through 31. The video for that is called Lesson 4.7, Homework Part 2. It's about 17 minutes long, okay? So, students, please, excuse me, please understand what to do there. And that's your homework due tomorrow. Now, you can do all of this on 1 sheet of paper. It's not 2 different assignments. It's 1 assignment, okay? You're getting 1 grade for all of this. Okay, moving on. That's all for today. Hey students, please get started with your teaching video and homework. Have a great